Welcome back to another episode of No Time to Be Hungry. Today we are here in Sakhon Nakhon Province and we are eating at one of my friend's places called Steve's Corner. Steve is from Singapore. He's been here for quite a while. There's Steve right now poking his head out of the door. So we're gonna come in here and see what's on the menu.
Butterflies and zebras and moonbeams, fairy tales, riding in the wind. When I'm sad,
oh, this one graduate from the ABC University.
Look at that, huh? Facelift. You can go to the clinic. You can go to the dentist office. You can have your brain checked. And then go get a massage. And then come here and eat some falafel food. All in one day. I don't know what this is, like a medical alley here. Okay, since Steve is from Singapore, we have Khao Man Gai Singapore. Thank you very much. And Mafia got some salmon steak. Paige got a pork steak. Looks pretty good. Pretty good. Looks pretty thick, actually. Can we get one more picture? And I'm Kang. I'm Kang Dwai. This chicken is really good. It's got like a cumin flavor. Very good. The steak is good too. Well, I know like Thailand food is easy to find everywhere, but a lot of times in these little Isan towns, it's very difficult to find it really appealing to actual foreigners instead of Thai people eating foreign food. So, but Steve knows how to make it. He knows how to cook it. It says, see, this chicken has got a little bit of char on it. Thai people don't really like the char. They want to cut it off. But you see the pork has it too. A little bit of char in there. let's give the Singapore rice a try. I have a lot of copyright background music, so I'm having to cut through the clip, so that's why it's kind of jumpy. Definitely something different, a different flavor that I'm used to having inside Thailand. There's almost not a whole lot better than chicken wings and beer. Well, a few things, but not many. Steve, this chicken is amazing. Is that a pretty common dish in Singapore?
It's my concoction.
Your concoction, I like that.
Wow.
Steve's concoction.
That's my recipe.
But there's a lot of Indian food in Singapore.
Yeah, a lot of turmeric.
Yeah, a lot of turmeric.
But turmeric in Thailand also very common because they believe in turmeric. But they put in a different style. Mostly curry, makasan. That's all kind of.
They don't really, like in Isan people, they don't really care too much for like Muslim type southern masaman, stuff like that. Yeah. I like it too.
I miss Singapore food.
I miss American food sometimes too, but American food's just a combination of
This means
everything.
halfway.
How long have you been in business here?
Sorry?
How long have you guys been open? 2 years? Yeah.
But 2 years stopped for 3 months.
Yeah. But you survived. That's good.
I have to. Because I dumped too much money.
Or you have to go back to Singapore, right?
I don't want it.
Well, we killed it again, huh? Good stuff. Okay, well, thanks for watching another episode of No Time to Be Hungry. You guys make sure when you come to Sakhon Nakhon to check out Steve's place. He's got an awesome menu of all kind of really,
Thank you.
what did you say, your own concoction?
Concoction.
Anyway, when you come to Sakhon Nakhon, check out Steve's place. I'll leave a link in the description box. We'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Thank you.